Let's learn how to find 1 7/8 inches on a ruler or tape measure. First, let's understand how the markings on a ruler work. Here's a section of a ruler from 1 inch to 2 inches. The longest lines mark whole inches. The next longest lines mark half inches. Medium length lines mark quarter inches. And the shortest lines mark eighth inches. Now let's find 1 7/8 inches. We'll start at the 1 inch mark. Then we need to count 7/8 inch divisions past that. Let's count. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, which is also 1/2, 5/8, 6/8, which is 3/4, and finally 7/8. 1 7/8 can also be written as a decimal. 1 plus 7/8, or 0.875, equals 1.875 inches. So remember to find 1 7/8 inches. Start at the 1 inch mark, then count 7/8 inch divisions to the right. You can verify you're at the right spot because you'll pass the 1 1/2 inch mark and the 1 3/4 mark before reaching 1 7/8.